Hello guys, welcome to my channel. We are in Amlan. I'm in Tambuhangin, Amlan. Yesterday a friend DM me his YouTube video about the park here. He was asking for help for all the vloggers to share the situation here of the park. There is a zoo here, and sad to say the animals are not well fed because of budget issues, probably because of pandemic. There are no visitors are on hold, so there are no field trips anymore, so I'm here to check out what's going on. I have a few kilos of chicken that I could donate. I hope it can help, and since it's holiday I was able to make time, so let's go guys. Guys, that's one hell of a ride kasi medyo nahirapan ako sa pag probably I did not expect that it was that steep. So I'm getting my mask. Guys, so for your in-kind donations, you can try to contact Fred Chu of Bigfoot Truck Surplus. I will try to ask for his contact number, so if anybody wants to donate, you can just directly contact him. I mean, I think he's in charge with some funding.
Sila lovebirds, so na sila forever, mamatay pa ni sila walay partner, matay lovebirds kana pa forever.
Okay, so we are at the lovebirds. So if you want to feed the birds, they have you can buy some bird food for 20 pesos for small pack. So this is the lovebird.
Wala na.
Come on.
Okay, we're
Oh, don't be scared. Come on, feed them. I still have food here. They're so scared. Go move to another area. Okay, it's getting late. Dear ostrich and crocodile. What's that? Is it supposed to be a wild pig? Okay, so there's a wild pig here, guys. Science spotted deer. Tagana kaayo. Fudge. It's too many of them. Tagana.
There's probably 15 or 20 crocodiles there
Stop.
watching you.
Sir,
18 pieces.
18 pieces?
Imo kuan ka
Oh, ako video pwede ra.
Hmm.
18 pieces kabo, 18 ka crocodile. Nya, unsa pay kaon nila ana, sir?
Kuan.
Pagkaon nila.
Chicken head.
Ha?
Chicken head.
Ah,
Chicken head.
chicken head. So
Chicken head sa kuan sa beast feeding ra.
guest feeding.
Beast feeding.
So the chicken
One.
head is for the guest
Only
feeding.
one. Okay.
Okay, so Manong Gregorio here says, it says they feed the crocs 40 kilos per week. Chicken heads. So if you want to donate some chicken heads, please visit the site, guys. And if you want to, you can feed them.
Guest feeding.
Guest feeding is each of this is 10 pesos.
Bata kon.
Asan?
Oh, Jumay. Jan. Oh.
Okay.
Bata niya no. Dada Jan. Dali kang papa. Pasudyo ni papa.
Let's see. Oh my! Don't play with him.
Draw them in. Here we go.
Oh, they're taking the bit.
Where's the kaon?
Throw the cat in.
I think it's too far.
Don't move this arm.
Don't move it. Come on, come on. Okay. Lower, lower, lower. Oh. No, no. The croc is coming. Croc is coming. Croc is coming. Come on, Queen, come on. Oh my gosh. He's gonna take it out. Did you got it? Don't. He did. Oh. Oh my god. What's a saltwater crocodile? Where's the saltwater crocodile? Can't see that. Did you see it? Oh, we didn't see the saltwater crocodile. Have a launch area where you can probably bring your food and have your lunch. Where's this? Oh, naniwang na din sila. They are thin. You see, guys? They are really thin. How adorable! I don't know why he's moving around. So if you can see, the tiger is really thin. Based on my research, they usually feed 9 to 10 kilograms per day, but here they usually feed this tiger 5 kilos per day. But now they can no longer afford it. It's cut down to 2 kilos na lang per day, and that's so sad. That's probably why he's so thin right now. Look at him, he's so thin. If you want to donate, guys, again, I will try to contact this Fred Chu. I'll try to ask for his number or his account information, so so he can donate or something like that. Please, let's help save these animals. Luoy kay sila. Luoy gid. Naglakaw-lakaw, ingana na siya?
Agresibo mo ko sila ma'am, basta pagano na. Isog yun na kayo sila, basta pagkaon.
Oh, mauday na siya. Oh my god, he's feeding it. He's feeding the tiger. See how he's... Oh. Mano is feeding the tiger. Okay. Whoa. Ano na din siya? What he's running up and about is because he's kind of aggressive pala when they're about to, during feeding time. It's kind of aggressive during feeding time. Do you know what it's called?